Evigambirwe Minisita w'Ihanga w'eby'amatungo Bright Rwamiramo bwabire narambura ebirikukorwaho famu ya Rwenjero Agrotourism Demonstration and Training Farm.
Hata habwe mpinda hinduka y'obwire twine gundo muhanda guturu kubasa okuhinga je na tukalisaje twaba tutine mezi abo kuba Uganda twine inshuro zo kweza ibiro mu mwaka.
Minister Bright Rwamiramo anagira ngo bwahata bari mu ntekateka yo kwatira abahinje n'abarisa bari kumanyonka nucleus farmers ombyanga abarahwera abantu ombyanga byabo kwege miringo mirungi yo kuhinga hamwe no kurisa etari kushisha by'obuhangwa.
Ndakino turebera mu value addition products zamate hata hatkamentore kabantu bakora yogurt bakora cheese butter ikintu ndebe senta y'amajitagente
so ntubika ente zitu z'enyankore tuziboneza kandi tuyeteze njungwe zikoraje munonga tuzihereza abantu twara MOU nabo tujya kubohereza hatkore MOU niwe abantu bagume bizaha begereho
mwene utame tukora community tokano shoti ntutegana munonga konga twagira mu competition ibyo bintu biga tushise maxi tweshanga twaba nominated as the best farmer for 2023.
Obuhinji n'oburisa omu ihanga nimwe aha bintu ebirikukyerayo kureta entasiyo omu ihanga enshonga habw'enki gavumenti ebitiiremu amaani. Omuganda makuru eminyeto omu ihanga eshabirwe kwejumbira omu by'obuhinji n'oburisa ekizibu cy'ibura ry'emirimo kyaba kiri eky'okuhweraho kimwe omu ihanga. Okushaba okukozirwe kona akayori omuhwezi wa komishona w'ebyamakuru na tekinologiya omu minisitule y'eby'obuhinji n'oburisa obwabire nayiguraho omwanya gw'okubikamu obutunguro bw'omutindo omu kyanga kya Muhanga Town Council omu district ya Rukiga.
I want to believe there are many other youth out there. Probably they have not even seen what you are doing. They have not discovered what you discovered. And we know very well that the population in this country has the majority of the young people. And remember, you are the change agent. It is through you that this country will make a difference.
But our quality onions need some quality market, some special market. So we have to see to it that we identify a market outside Uganda.
Omwanya ogumazireho sente zirikwingana miliyoni 250 kandi gwombekirwa abakigezi Farmers Cooperative n'obushagi kikurwa omu Avis Foundation okwerabira omu ntebeekanisa ya SAY project.
In this project we were looking more to support individuals, but along the way in 2022 the project started working with groups, and in this region we are working with 38 groups.
We are a platform for members to access quality and affordable inputs on farm technical support and collective marketing. And the SAY project has been so instrumental in supporting us realize this objective, because this speaks to the interventions that the SAY project has been speaking to.
Abaganyirwe mu borekero kw'enteekateeka yabo ehindukiro mu by'obuhinji.
Us as the SAY graduates have been able not to see agriculture as a dirty job, but as a business sector.
The strategic opportunities that exist in agribusiness and how we could harness these opportunities to create employment, but also most importantly, create wealth.
Ahabwa TV West ndi Era Akiza na Job Namanya.